Hey guys, what's up? I'm Nick. Welcome back. This is 7 Minutes or Less, and today we are going to unbox the Sandisk Extreme portable SSD, and we're going to reformat it so that it works with your Mac computer. I picked this up, 1 terabyte edition. Right here, as you can see on the box, 1 terabyte. On the back, flipping it over and around, it tells us that it is going to be rated IP55 water and dust resistant. It is shock and vibration resistant. And this box is tiny. This thing came in the mail. I thought it was gonna be a whole heck of a lot bigger than it is. It is tiny. All right, let's pop this thing open. Now, the reason why I picked this up is because I wanted to have an external SSD for all of my photo library and video library on my MacBook Pro. And wow, this thing out of the box is tiny, teeny tiny. I thought it was gonna be huge. This is so small. It's got a hook right there so you can clip it onto something while you're out and about. But man, this thing is tiny. Look at this compared to my hand, my palm of my hand. It is tiny. This thing is great, fully pocketable. It's got a nice material on the back. Might attract a little bit of lint or dust, but on the front, perforated, perfect. Teeny tiny little setup. Perfect in your pocket. I mean, this is probably the size of a credit card, and I would say that it's maybe 3 or 4 credit cards thick. Depends on how thick a credit card is. I mean, really, it's just got enough space to slide in a USB-C. Super happy with the size of this. Of course, it's gonna have all of its information that comes along with it. We'll read that tonight when we're trying to go to sleep. And this is the dongles that it comes with. It is a USB-C to USB-C adapter, so perfect for USB high data transfer from the actual drive. And then if you have a Mac, it's gonna work perfectly with that. And then it has the USB-C to USB-A adapter in it. If you guys haven't, make sure you hit that thumbs up, but we're gonna reformat this thing and hit the subscribe button. We're trying to hit 10,000 subs soon, so if you can hit that subscribe, that's gonna help us out. We can make a lot more videos just like this. But let's plug this thing in and we will get it reformatted to our MacBook. All right, so we're gonna slow down a little bit. When you plug in the Extreme SSD, you're going to want to go to Finder and get your disk utility. You wanna pull that up, and when you do, that's gonna pull up your SSDs. And here, you're gonna wanna get your Sandisk SSD from the disk utility, and this is where you're going to reformat it. And when you do that, you push erase, you can change it to the proper format. APFS is what we should be doing it if you have an older Mac or running Mac after High Sierra. So anything after High Sierra, you should be doing APFS. That's going to be the fastest transfer into a solid state drive. And we will name it Media 2, for example. And let's reformat it. Completed. So you push done. You can partition it here and add volumes. So if you want to add volume to it, you can change that to whichever partition. So if you wanted to change it from half being APFS and half extended, so you can change that back and forth as you'd like. So from there, once that's been reformatted, which is cool, so we can minimize that. And for an example, as we said, your photos, if you want to export these, it's super easy. You're going to select your photos and you're going to go to File, Export, all 28,000 in this case, JPEG, maximum quality, full size, color, most compatible, movie quality, depends on what you'd like to do with that. And you can start your export and it will ask you where you want to send it. We can do to the Sandisk Extreme, and we push export, and there they go. So they're being loaded in there right now. I hope you guys found that helpful. Give us a like and a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we will see you around next time. Bye.